Kids, today we are going to learn how to write backward numbers 20 to 11 in our Max notebook. So first write T, O, then leave two boxes, then again write T, O, then leave two boxes and again write T, O. Let's start. T means tens, O means ones, S 20 to 11 numbers are two-digit numbers, so we will write under both T and O. So first we will write number 20. 2 0 20 1 9 19 1 8 18 1 7 17 1 6 16 1 5 15 1 4 14 1 3 13 1 2 12 1 1 11. So let's see once again. 20 19 18 17 16 15 14 13 12 11, and we will touch all the numbers bottom blue line and write. See kids, like this way you will write backward numbers 20 to 11 three times in your Max notebook.